Hey Datta this side again. Have you ever wondered how you can protect your Facebook profile, ad manager, Facebook pixel from getting hacked? Or in case your account is disabled, how do you make sure that one जो कुछ भी आपके digital resources है like Facebook pixel, audiences, contents are useful or you can like effortlessly you can use from different account to avoid impact on your business. दोस्तों ये वीडियो बहुत important है from your from your marketing perspective. If you are already running the Facebook ads or online advertising or you are just thinking to get started master, watch this video till the end because बहुत सारे लोगों के मैंने देखा है मेरे स्टूडेंट्स देयर अकाउंट गेट हैक नाउअडेज इज रियली सिंपल पीपल हैक द अकाउंट्स एंड देन दे ट्राई टू like run the advertising from different accounts, spend the money. मैंने देखे as people have lost more than lakhs of rupees because of this account hacking issue. Okay, you don't want to miss this video till the end. In this video I will be sharing you 5 tips how you can protect your account from getting hacked, or also how do you share your resources with the other accounts from trusted from your family member or partner to make sure your resources are used. Guys, I'm telling you, after coaching over thousands of entrepreneurs, Facebook marketer, digital marketer on these strategies, I have learned that lesson and I'm sharing with you. Okay, watch this video till the end and I want you to please make a lot of notes. Let's go on my screen directly and let me share all those principles. Okay, awesome. So here we go on my screen right now. The first thing here, if you see the 5 tips to secure your Facebook ad account and pixel profile from getting hacked. Okay, from getting hacked, that's the first part. So now what is the intention of this video? इस वीडियो का इंटेंशन क्या है? First 5 tips मैं शेयर करने वाला हूँ आपको. That is really important. मैंने देखा है ये these are the tips before you starting running ad, और आप ऑलरेडी रन कर रहे हो तो कैसे आप ये स्टेप ले सकते हो, that is important part. So what I will be doing, मैं आपको 5 टिप्स देने वाला हूँ. Very practical step. I will be showing you on screen and everything I will show you there. And another part, gift. I will be inviting you for an amazing opportunity to work with me. Okay, awesome. So watch that one till the end. Make notes. The first thing, without further delay, as I told you, this is really important part. Otherwise, it can be really painful. कि boss, my account got hacked. कैसे ट्रबल शूट करना है, हाउ कैन आई मेक श्योर कि मेरे जो रिसोर्सेस है आपके ऑडियंसेस है पिक्सल है दो द सिक्योर. हियर वी गो. द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स आई विल बी शेयरिंग यू 5 टिप्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप. द फर्स्ट टिप, द प्रैक्टिकल टिप, Facebook profile security and business manager security. You need to secure your Facebook profile because and Facebook is doing really great job because so many people are creating fake IDs, doing spamming, lot of frauds. So from their point of view it's important, but from your point of view you need to secure your profile because once that is restricted, hacked, it's really hard or it's really painful to retrieve. So take some measurements and some tips or some tips so that you are ready to rock. Okay, awesome. The first tip is secure your account and there are 4 to 5 points you can do. First step is enable 2-factor authentication. तो ये क्या है? It means like 2-factor authentication, like you can do if somebody is trying to log into your profile, the mobile OTP will be mandatory and I know that one. आप आपका register mobile number register करो so that the hackers होते हैं, people try to access your account, they will not able to log in. There is a more because without OTP they will not able to log in. Okay, so most probably I don't know, there are different strategies, but mobile OTP आपके मोबाइल पे OTP आ सकता है. You can use authenticator app like Google tool, Google का free tool है, you can use that one. I will show you live as well, Google, and you can use as well basically you can use a recovery code as well. So let's go and let me show you practically. जैसे कि आप in case I mean like my profile is there, Datta Tule, suppose I have this Facebook account. Yeah, here we go. In your Facebook profile there will be so many ideas there. You can go to the Facebook profile and little bit here I'm just making zoom in. Okay, a little bit zoom so that you can see here. You can go to the setting here, account and setting, privacy settings, and here second option is first thing I think you can also do your identity verification in case they ask. आप आपका ID proof submit कर सकते हो. Disclaimer, please do not try to create fake profile. Instead आपका खुद का ऑलरेडी अकाउंट डिजेबल हुआ है, कुछ हुआ है तो use family member, partner, husband, wife, anything account. Okay, you can use your ad account, email, etc. there, like other things. Decide what happens passed away, you can do that part. Security logins, second step is security logins. In security logins, security and logins में जा सकते हैं आप लोग. Here you can see right now, जैसे कि आप मैं देख रहा हूँ कि recommended, they will, Facebook will guide you recommended steps. The first thing, where you are logged in. Right now I'm some Pimpri CMC Pune, so it's correct. I'm right there. So you can see here login, change your, आप security measure के लिए क्या कर सकते हो? Change your password and remove your password from other things. So here is option two-factor authentication, like use two-factor authentication. Here is option. We will ask you to code if we notice an attempt to log in from unrecognized device or browser. मतलब कोई भी फर्स्ट टाइम ब्राउजर से, कोई नए ब्राउजर से लॉगिन करने के लिए ट्राई करता है या फिर डिवाइस से, दे विल आस्क यू कंपल्सरी दिस टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेशन. वहाँ पे आपको बस मेक श्योर कि यू हैव योर मोबाइल नंबर अपडेटेड, करेक्ट एक्टिव मोबाइल नंबर एक्टिवेटेड. ठीक है, और आप वहाँ पे एडिट में जाके सेटिंग कर सकते हो. अनदर लाइक अथोराइज्ड लॉगिन्स, यू कैन यूज दिस वन. लाइक आई हैव दिस अथोराइज्ड लॉगिन्स एंड आई गेट अथोराइज लॉगिन के लिए ऊपर आप एक काम कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे लाइक वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड, ओके, यू हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड गूगल ऑथेंटिकेटर. ओके, गूगल ऑथेंटिकेटर ऐप फॉर पीसी और ऐप. तो बेसिकली ये ऐप है गूगल का, गूगल ऑथेंटिकेटर ऐप है. इट्स लाइक एक्सटेंशन, ऑल्सो एक्सटेंशन अवेलेबल है. ऐसा ऐप होता है, आप मोबाइल पे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाइल लॉगिन बिसाइड योर 1-to-1 पासवर्ड, जो आपका OTP होता है, OTP के साथ में आपको यहाँ पे रैंडम यूनिक कोड आता है आपके मोबाइल के ऊपर. मोबाइल पे आप ऐप डाउनलोड करके रखो ऑथेंटिकेटर बोल के, एंड यू हैव टू गिव दैट पासवर्ड हियर. सो डबल हो जाएगा, मतलब किसी ने OTP भी हैक किया, so they will not able to log in unless you enter this code. Okay, so here is option called like two-factor authentication, authorized login. Also here is option app password, like आप app password होते हैं, you can look for that one. So pretty much details are here, you can explore and do that one. Okay, awesome. So now that was the first part. You can do that mobile OTP authentication app, recovery code as well is available there. Second step here, control your alerts and password. I mean to say in Facebook there is option you need to set your hard password. आप password change करते रहो regularly, like set the complex password and open the like control alerts. आपको alerts मिलते हैं यहाँ पे, just like मैंने बोला था आपको यहाँ पे you get the alerts, right? general will be having some alert option. तो आप वहाँ पे setting में देख सकते हो in the first security के अंदर, like login, save your password, two-factor, and like setting extra security, all things are there. You can try to full maximize. Okay, आप वहाँ पे वो कर सकते हो. And second part, like identity verification, like confirm your identity, like because that is important. Make sure you are not using fake account for advertising, because Facebook is really smart. Nobody can fool Facebook. They recognize your face, ID proof, third party verification. Make sure you are using your original ID proof, original name, correct name for that one. Okay, you can verify that there. This is Facebook security. I hope this is really important. This is really important. Even though I will show you here in like the business manager के अंदर, you can suppose I have this business manager. Second, okay, second, let's talk about backup admins. Add backup admins. So guys, add backup admins. So in your account, you need to have at least 2 backup admins, like at least have 1 backup admin. Like suppose आपका business manager, in case आपको पता नहीं business manager क्या होता है, I will tell you. You need to have backup admins. Suppose I have some this tool interactive research. तो आपके पास कम से कम एक बैकअप एडमिन हो चाहिए. सेटिंग के अंदर ऑप्शन होता है यहाँ पे बिजनेस सेटिंग्स लेफ्ट में, यू कैन एक्सप्लोर दैट वन. यू कैन गूगल चेक ऑन द गूगल. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो एटलीस्ट 2 एडमिन्स. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी इन द पीपल आई हैव एटलीस्ट 2 एडमिन्स. मेरे पास 2 एडमिन है. दिस इज कॉल्ड बैकअप एडमिन. You need to have at least 2 backup admin. Please understand this one. Okay, you need to understand this one. Have a backup 2 admins so that you can manage. Suppose this is the K2A account disable होता है, the backup admin can help you to manage your ads. ठीक है, awesome. Third tip here, share resources. What does it mean share resources? Like क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको कि बॉस, in case आपका Facebook प्रोफाइल बैन होता है या हैक होता है या there is something issue with you, so always you can create a backup account from your family member, different domain, different profile, have the backup admin, have the backup business manager, and you can share resources like Pixel. आपका जो Facebook Pixel कोड होता है उसको शेयर कर सकते हो. वेरी पावरफुल दोस्तों. Pixel is really important. You can share that one. Second, audiences. You can share your audiences as well with different ad account. Third, like add accounts. You can share your ad accounts as well. So that is part there. Share resources. You can figure out on the Google how you can share that one. Definitely in this business manager, you can find like ad account or Pixel, other things are there. I mean to say like data resources, pixels. You can share this pixel with other guys. Okay, you can just share pixel with other people. आप वो शेयर कर सकते हो. I cannot show you all this deal because of security reasons. You can share that one. Third, fourth, master plan. I hope you are enjoying this video. This is powerful. I am sharing insider update. जो मेरे paid member है, they pay me 8,000, 10,000. उनके लिए मैं शेयर करता हूँ. लेकिन if you are watching this video and if you are not my student, I would recommend you come to my community. Okay, but yeah. So here we go. Master plan. First of all, as I told you, backup ad account, business manager. I always recommend. आपका business बढ़ेगा, जरूर बढ़ेगा. So from day onward, first day से आपको चालू करना है. Set up different business manager, ad account from family member name, husband, wife, मतलब कोई भी हो सकता है जिसका Facebook account है, active है, उससे आप backup ad account and business manager हमेशा ready रखो. I do that one and it is important. कभी भी ब्लॉक हो सकता है. ब्लॉक हुआ तो क्या आपका बिजनेस थोड़ी स्टॉप होगा, right? So always I have at least 3 business manager, different profiles, my wife profile, my brother profile, like that one. Okay, you can use. Second, follow Facebook guide. Important guys. To avoid a lot of issues, follow the Facebook guidelines. Do not run spamming ad, get rich quick scheme, MLM ads. Well, use the proper way and you can check Facebook guideline on the Facebook itself. Okay, awesome. And create user friendly content for ads. कि जो whatever you like, because Facebook is all about platform right now. Okay, so create user friendly content. आप देख सकते हो मेरे वीडियो आते हैं ad के ऊपर. I'm just talking to my customer, not trying to promote very spammy or fishy content. Okay, that is important. And those are fifth. And if you still like Facebook profile is secured, account is a backup admin there, you share the resources, master plan you are implementing, help. In case you need some help, so you can chat with the Facebook support directly. You can submit the request via form. उनका form आता है, you can submit request. How can you chat with the support? Here we go. If you go to the business manager, inside business manager, like you will find something here called, in the bottom here is the question mark, help. Guys, here, help. And the help you will find here, whatever you have account like Signal from account or other things, you can find that one. Okay, आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हो बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस. मेरे कुछ प्रीवियस केस है यहाँ पे. एंड यू कैन सी हियर योर सपोर्ट केसेस. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है क्रिएट न्यू केस. Additional resources available. You can go through this advertising policies, blueprint, e-learning, Facebook ad guidelines, and ad manager, etc. Okay. Here is the option called create new case. Here is the option first, question, go down, create new case, and select your business manager ad account. What is there? What issue or experience? Select your issue, whatever issue you have. Suppose I have created this issue, I have failed payment, etc. And first of all, they will try to give you here article, backup payment method. You can try that one. And need more support, contact support. So here is the option called directly. You can chat with them. They will take you to the Facebook Messenger and you can talk to them, whatever you is there. Okay. So awesome that you can do. I hope this is helpful. So let me recap. Secure your Facebook profile. Two-factor authentication is very, very important. Very important is for you. But आप देख सकते हो मेरे business setting के अंदर I have at least like security. Here is the option called security center. You can see in security center I have this, like you can see here security center के अंदर I have two-factor authentication green, backup admin is green, and this is like business verification I am doing. So use this, which is really important for you. Second, add backup admin, share your resources with other accounts, trusted your own account once you have the resources. Master plan, backup ad account that I told you, right? Follow the guidelines, create user friendly contents, and in case you need help, you can directly chat with them from Facebook support. Okay, awesome guys. So I hope you have made a lot of nets, and if you really want to master all these skills, online marketing, funnel building, Facebook ad, you want to take my personal help and come on the fast track, stop wasting time, then I have something special invitation, like you can check on the link below here. dattatule.co/formula. You can check my one of my upcoming live practical interactive workshop or automated workshop, and how you can become a part of my challenge, transform this your business and get my help. Okay, so what I'm doing, like what I'm telling you guys, now let me ask you this question. If you really love this video, please watch this video at least 2-3 times. And believe me, this is really practical steps. Nobody share with you, I am sharing with you. And if you really love this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your 3 friends जो आपके business friend है. It can be share with somebody groups and other things, they can be helpful. Also I would see you other in my signature workshop so that you can grow your business. Okay, also beside this one, आपको क्या लगता है, what question do you have, or what do you think कि Datta you should create a video on this topic, and whatever is there in below this comment box is absolutely free. You can share your detailed learning comments and what would you like to learn, what kind of business you are in, what challenges you are facing, and what help do you need. Okay, also regarding this video, if you have faced any kind of issue and if this is really helpful, please share your love and all details. Okay, thank you very much, because it inspired me to create new video like this one, help you grow your business, help you grow your Facebook marketing, funnel building, traffic and funnel domination, and help you crush in the online. Okay दोस्तों, Datta Tule signing off for today.